Just going to heart part. Kami guys. Kami. Kala ko nga pinapapaan ko eh. Uwi. Brightness indescribable.
Turn left onto Highway A17.
Sula Lake. Hay Blagan.
Continue on Highway 41.
Yung bibig ko na pero yung kumain. Magbabagay tayo sa pag-iati. Hindi ba natin tutorial kung paano tanggalin yung buhok.
Takbo yan. Joke lang. Portrait. Daddy, ito.
Labi, gawa na to. Wow!
Gabi na to.
Gawa na.
Bilis.
Tapos na guys, tapos pauwi na kami. Hindi kami sumabay kila daddy, maglalakad na lang kami. Tatakbo na lang kami guys, malapit lang yung behay namin. Kanina hindi ko na na-video yung iba kasi nga na-lowbat din ako. Tapos today, I mean ngayon is 4:32. I think this is the end of the vlog. Because we're just going home and I have nothing else to say. Because pauwi na lang kami. Ano daw? Pauwi na kami. Hindi pa pala end ng vlog. Bumalik na naman siya. I'm back! This is not the end. The end. I'm back, guys. We're here in a park. Because, why not?
And this is the way back home.
Our way to our homies.
Home.
Homies. Ang ganda ng kotse. Soon to be my car.
Sure. Wala na.
Yan na.
Park.
Park! Nantok ako. Tutulog muna ako, guys. Bye-bye. Dito.
Tulog.
Dito ako matutulog. Oh.
Dito matutulog.
Tulog. Mustang yon. Ang ganda nga eh. Maganda. Hala. Ano ba yan? So guys, comment down below if you comment down below. Hindi nagre-reply yan. Hindi. Ano pa reply? Because I don't know. I'm just going to heart.
Ano makukuha nilang sagot sa puso mo?
Ito yung pussy ka.
Tawa kayo guys.
Ha 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 ha. May papa. I'm naka-duty ba si
Walang dito si Mami Anhon.
Oo nga pala. Oh! Ay. Guys, ay papakita ko sa inyo yung bahay. Dati nung naglalakad kami dito, ano pa lang to? Nagawa pa lang last year.
Wala pa kami lang.
Ayaw. Tapos ngayon ang ganda na guys.
Nasaan na tayo?
Tawa kayo guys. Ito oh. Ang ganda.
Oh, BMW, ikaw lamang ang messenger si Tapir Fort. Oo nga. Kala ko nga pinapapaan to eh. BMW. Ang ingay ko daw. Hala. Ikaw lamang ang messenger si Tapir.
So ngayon, hindi pa kami 10K. No. Hindi pa kami 10K. Kaya maglalakad pa kami. So lakad pa tayo kasi mainit. Tapos malulubat na ako. Hindi na ako makapag 10K. Bye guys. Bye. Guys, we're on a bridge picture.
Yung mana sa ano ba dati?
Hindi.
Tawag doon.
Pero may ilaw na, di ba? Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Strawberry.
I like strawberry.
Like strawberry.
How about grapes?
Bowie. What?
Playground.
Ice cream. Say tomato.
Lollipop.
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 What is it? Guys, in Victoria, just finished eating breakfast and then now we're here in the beach. We're just going to roam, guys. Go, guys. Yeah. The night market there. Jogging din tayo. Charing. What's this? Ride the cockle train from. Uy, they have like a game. Yeah, a game. Horsey. Guys, this is so peaceful here. Look, the oceanic Titanic. Titanic. Oh, ang cute.
Pwede pa nga dun eh. Pasok pa tayo dun.
Yeah, I think so, maybe. And there's a horse and the bridge. Bridgerton. What happened to your legs? Oh, wait. It's also... Look there, oh. They have camel. But it's $10 for children and then adult is 20. I mean 11 to 17 is 15. Then look, they have camel. Pwede mo sumakay. So guys, I'm going back to sit here because I don't want to go to the bridge yet. So we're just going to sit here and I think it's wet. Yeah, it's wet. How am I supposed to sit here? Wait. Oh no, it's not wet. Just some part. I'm just sitting. Oh, the birthday. So guys, we're going to Granite Island. And wala. Una na sila daddy.
See this big gap in the pines. Look at that. Birds, no? Birds.
You're so very good.
vlog.
Hi, vlog. Okay, say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, ka-vloggers. Natulala siya.
Uy, you didn't say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
I'm looking for the mermaid.
Hi, ka-vloggers. Tawa siya eh. Hi, vlog.
Hi, Japots!
Hi, Japon. Hala! Hindi ko na-vision yun ah.
Hi, vlog! Hi, Japots!
Pinafollow niyo na naman. Guys, nasa Netherlands daw kami, sabi ng sister ko. Chari.
Very good
Hi guys, nandito ulit kami sa beach. Nasa ngayon, bababa na kami.
We'll pull forward. Second hand way outwards along the faster one.
Ang bango. Cute. Kain na kami guys. Nandito kami sa Outer Beach. Dito kami maglalaro. Full dibog sila guys. Elip kami.
December to March.
Balik. Alis kami kasi Lepats.
Did you find the egg? Did you find the egg, Kylie? How many eggs did you find? Wow, you have 6. You're so very good.
Nasa harap nyo na, hindi nyo pa makita eh.
Just ang tagal mo doon, wala kang nakita. Tuling siya, tuling. Just ilan na itlog mo?
Oh, may nakuha.
6. Kylie, how many yours?
Anim
6, ikaw.
Anim.
Kulang pala 6. Kulang pala 6. Meron pa. 24 eh. Wala. Wala.
Bigyan
Si daddy, si daddy. Hint daw.
Ha?
Hint. Hindi niya na maalala sa niya nilagay. Kylie, how many eggs you have? What is still looking? Cannot find.
Yung nagtago na kalimutan. Naghahanap na rin ng nagtago. Tinulungan niyo kami.
Huli si Jess wala. Si Jess pati mga to. Where is it? Tago ka ba dyan?
Hindi ko maalala eh.
Ba't yung nagtago na to?
Baka sa basurahan. Saan?
Hindi na. Madumi yun.
How many eggs do you have?
Oh, what's inside?
Open.
Open it.
Ay, wala mo na.
Oh, you have $1.
I have 10. Sana ko makatwin. I have 20.
Si Jess nakakuha ng top prize.
Top price ba yun?
Oo.
Chocolate.
$5.
Look, hindi ako ni Jess.
So, 1 chocolate for Tachi.
Chocolate.
2 chocolate. You have chocolate, okay? I'll give you chocolate.
Chocolate.
Nako, cash prize pa yung nawawala.
I have 5.
Look!
Yaman na talaga! Kaya. 100.
Wala, naka
Chocolate.
40 si Jess.
Naka-ano ako? 11.
Chocolate.
Wait lang, may dalawa pa. Titingnan ko kung cash prize din yun.
I'll give the...
Simon loves Jesus very much. Jesus enters into the room to the experience depend upon others to survive. We adore you, our Christ, and we bless you. By this we know love, but to lay down the sacrifice. And we hope and we are to lay down our life for it.